Hello friends, today we are going to talk about this Anycast device. I am going to share my experience after 1 year of usage of this device. It's a Chinese kind of a product. I'll show you how to install it, how to use it, and how to connect with your television. And I'll share with you the pros and cons of this device. Fine. So let me share you first how we can connect it with our television. So I have this small 24 inches television which just for a demo only. I'm showing it. This is a Sony TV, not very advanced or smart. And let me share you the jacks. You got one USB port, one audio, then two HDMI ports, right? Basic things. Only want to tell you the important thing is that your TV or your device must have this HDMI port. Otherwise, because you can see this can be only connected with HDMI port only. Okay, so let me start it and let me show you how to get it connected. First, I'll switch on my television from this power source, and when we open our packet, we generally get these things. This is a Wi-Fi receiver. This is a connector that connects into this place, and this is a USB for getting power in this device. Okay, so let's install. I'm putting it first like this, and now this is a signal receiver, right? From your phone it receives the signal. Okay, let me connect it. Yes, it's now connected, and for providing power we need to put this USB. Yeah, it can be connected to any port. Now let me show you. Now I'm using the source HDMI 1 and HDMI 2. Oh, it's automatically came. HDMI 1. You need to find out which HDMI port it is accepting. Okay, now you can see it ready to cast. 180p, all the details are showing. AirPlay mode, that is for iPhone users or Apple users, and second one is a Miracast mode. So what if I am using an Android device? I have to put this button. There is a small button, you can see that. If I am able to show you, 1 second. Yeah, there is a small button, very I need to press it once. Once I pressed it, it came to the Miracast mode. Now you can see it showing on your Android device. Use settings, smart view, screen mirroring, and to cast. Fine. So let me bring my mobile with you. Hold for a second. So I am with my mobile. I'm showing you a very basic mobile because my latest mobile is I'm using for recording this video. This is Oppo and 2006 model, so not very advanced or not very latest model. So let me show you how to get it connected. Simple. Go to the settings. Wireless connections, wireless display. Previously I connected this on, so I'll just now I'm on, switching it on. Anycast, you can find it out. Anycast. 1 second friends, I'm not able to focus this. Anycast. I need proper gadgets, I think, for Anycast BFEDEA52. You can find the same thing, BFE0 EA52. Okay, so now I'm going to put it here. It's showing connecting. Let's see how long it will take. These are the cons you can think of. Showing connecting only. Okay, it is not doing well, so let me refresh it. Connecting is still showing connecting. Yesterday I tried to connect it and it worked very well. Today it's not connecting. These are the cons. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. It's showing again available. Let me try to connect it. Connecting. Useless. No. So let me off it and use another phone. Friends, now I'm going to use this MI Note 5 Pro phone. That is also an OVO phone. Okay. So, friends, this is live. I have least idea about editing, so please bear with me. I'm just sharing you the experience of this, real experience, how much time generally it will take. Connection and sharing display. Ask me to go on device settings, smart TV, screen mirroring, etc. I can't find in this phone. Connection, sharing, lock screen, paper, passcode and securities, apps, additional well-being and controls. So I believe it should be here. Connection sharing. Now it is showing a cast. Let me try cast. Searching for device nearby, Anycast. It is there. I just clicked on. No response. This is a real time. Oh, now it is connected. Fine. Friends, now you can see me. It got connected. Let me show you an idea of a YouTube video. I'll play. Please keep watching the full video. Now, let's start. Okay? मैंने ऑलरेडी से भर के रखा है और कॉफ़ी कोई दूसरी नहीं, मैं सिर्फ नेस्कॉफी यूज़ करता हूँ नॉर्मली। कुछ स्पेशल कॉफ़ी तो नहीं ली इसके लिए। बताते हैं कि कैसे स्टार्ट होता है ये। मैंने ऑलरेडी कॉफ़ी बनाई थी तो उसकी जो स्टीम है उसका पानी थोड़ा सा रह जाता है यहाँ पे। इस बॉक्स को ऐसे ओपन कर लेंगे। सॉरी मैं आपको ढंग से दिखा नहीं पा रहा हूँ। So friends, hope you got it, the complete idea about the device, how to connect it and how to use it. So sometime it works, sometime it doesn't work. So that is your choice. I believe this phone is worked well. Yesterday this Oppo phone was working very fine and it played well. Today it's not playing. You can see that is an old model because from my latest phone I am recording this video. So hope if this video is useful, so please subscribe my channel, like this video and press the bell icon. And if you have any question or any doubts, you can simply ask me in comment box. I'll definitely try to reply as soon as possible. And if you want to buy this thing, I'll provide the link in my description box. You can simply buy from that. Fine. Thank you so much for all your support, friends. Thank you. Thanks a lot.